I think what you will see at this year's ASH is more products with slight differences, and there are a whole bunch of them as to how those cars are being manufactured. The CAR-T2 trial is going to be presented, and this time you're going to see longer follow-up on the CAR-T2 trial. There are other CAR products such as BB21217, and there's the one from Poseidon, which is also going to be presented. And this has a different way, non-viral vector containing way of actually manufacturing this CAR. So a lot of what you're going to see right now is still second generation CARs. I will add that for the first time, you're going to also hear about the allogeneic CARs. We're excited about those, and that data is going to be presented. It's a small number of patients, but nonetheless, we are seeing a very high response rate once we get to the dose levels, which are the efficacious dose levels. In terms of factors such as combining different strategies with these cellular products, I do think we have to wait a little bit. Those are sort of trials which are in design as we speak and accruing. But we will learn about them, I think, in the coming years. As far as dual targeting CARs, we still haven't put them in people, so it's still preclinical data, but we're very close to doing CARs which are going to be targeting not just BCMA, but certain other ligands such as APRIL or TACI, and those are ongoing as well.